The importance of nutrients in our diet. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the 12 essential nutrients your diet might be missing. In our fast-paced lives, we often strive to eat healthily, but it's easy to overlook certain key nutrients that play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. These nutrients are the building blocks that keep our bodies functioning optimally, from energy production and immune support to bone health and brain function. Yet, many of us may not be getting enough of these vital nutrients through our daily diets. Today, we're going to delve deep into these essential nutrients, understanding why they are so important, and most importantly, how you can incorporate them into your diet in practical and delicious ways. This video is tailored to guide you on your journey to better health. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to ensure your diet is as nutrient-rich as possible. 1. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. First on our list is vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, as it helps our bodies absorb calcium. It also supports immune function and has been linked to mood regulation. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough vitamin D, especially those who live in areas with limited sunlight. To boost your vitamin D intake, spend time outdoors and incorporate foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk into your diet. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for heart and brain health. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease, and support cognitive function. Unfortunately, many diets lack sufficient omega-3s. To ensure you're getting enough, include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or add a daily serving of plant-based omega-3 sources to your meals. 3. Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium is often referred to as the relaxation mineral due to its role in muscle and nerve function, stress reduction, and sleep quality. It's also vital for energy production and bone health. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough magnesium in their diets. To boost your magnesium intake, incorporate dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. These foods not only provide magnesium, but also offer a host of other essential nutrients. 4. Vitamin B12, energy and nerve health. Vitamin B12, often regarded as the powerhouse vitamin, is vital for numerous functions in the body, particularly energy production, red blood cell formation, and nerve health. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in converting food into usable energy by supporting the metabolism of every cell in the body. Without adequate vitamin B12, you might experience fatigue and weakness as your cells are unable to function optimally. In addition to its role in energy production, vitamin B12 is crucial for the formation and maintenance of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen from your lungs to every part of your body. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to anemia, characterized by symptoms such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and pale skin, due to the reduced oxygen-carrying capacity of the blood. Moreover, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining the health of your nervous system. It helps produce myelin, the protective sheath that covers nerve fibers and ensures efficient transmission of nerve impulses. 5. Iron, for oxygen transport. Iron is a vital mineral that helps transport oxygen throughout the body and supports energy production. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness. There are 2 types of dietary iron: heme iron, found in animal products, and non-heme iron, found in plant-based foods. To boost your iron intake, include red meat, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals in your diet. Pairing non-heme iron sources with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits can enhance absorption. 6. Calcium, strong bones and teeth. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and nerve signaling. A deficiency in calcium can lead to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. To ensure adequate calcium intake, include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt in your diet. For those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, fortified plant milks, leafy greens, almonds, and tofu are excellent sources of calcium. 7. Zinc. Immune support. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, particularly in supporting the immune system, facilitating wound healing, and contributing to DNA synthesis. Zinc is involved in many biochemical processes that are vital for maintaining good health. One of the most well-known benefits of zinc is its ability to bolster the immune system. This mineral helps the body produce and activate T cells. Adequate zinc levels are necessary to maintain a balanced immune function, protecting the body against infections and helping to fend off illnesses. During cold and flu season, maintaining sufficient zinc levels can be particularly beneficial in reducing the duration and severity of these common ailments. Zinc is also pivotal for wound healing. It plays an essential role in collagen synthesis, cellular repair, and the inflammatory response. These functions are crucial for skin integrity and the healing process. By ensuring adequate zinc intake, you can support faster recovery from cuts, scrapes, and other injuries. 8. Potassium, heart and muscle function. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Unfortunately, many diets fall short of the recommended potassium intake. To boost your potassium levels, include bananas, potatoes, avocados, and spinach in your diet. These foods are not only rich in potassium, but also provide a variety of other nutrients that support overall health. 9. Fiber, digestive health. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, regulating blood sugar levels, and lowering cholesterol. It also helps you feel full, which can aid in weight management. Many people don't consume enough fiber in their diets. To increase your fiber intake, incorporate whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts into your meals. 10. Vitamin K, blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. It helps maintain bone density and supports the healing process by promoting proper blood clotting. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin K, include leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard, as well as broccoli and Brussels sprouts in your diet. These vegetables are not only rich in vitamin K, but also provide a range of other essential nutrients that support overall health. 11. Vitamin A, vision and immune function. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes. To boost your vitamin A intake, include foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and leafy greens in your diet. These foods are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Incorporating these colorful vegetables into your meals can help ensure you get enough of this vital nutrient. 12. Iodine, thyroid function. Iodine is essential for proper thyroid function, which regulates metabolism, growth, and development. A deficiency in iodine can lead to thyroid disorders, such as goiter and hypothyroidism. To ensure adequate iodine intake, use iodized salt in your cooking and include iodine-rich foods like seaweed, seafood, dairy products, and eggs in your diet. Maintaining healthy iodine levels supports overall metabolic health and well-being. Conclusion: embracing a nutrient-rich diet. By incorporating these 12 essential nutrients into your diet, you can support overall health and well-being. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to meeting your nutritional needs. Whether you're looking to fill in dietary gaps or optimize your nutrition, these tips can help guide you on your journey to better health. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of essential nutrients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay nourished, and we'll see you in the next video.